Note: the video shown depicts a different version of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to this notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery and service door. Removal. Remove the 6mm P1 Phillips head screw identified with a keyboard icon in the wireless LAN minicard compartment that secures the keyboard to the base enclosure. Using a flat-bladed, non-marring tool, gently release the 3 clips to disengage the keyboard from the top cover. Turn the notebook right side up and open the display panel fully. Using your finger or a flat-bladed, non-marring tool, gently lift up on the rear edge of the keyboard to disengage the keyboard from the top cover. Slide the keyboard toward the rear of the notebook to release the tabs at the front of the keyboard. Turn the keyboard upside down. Important: do not lift the keyboard further away from the notebook than necessary to access the keyboard ribbon cable and ZIF connector. Gently lift up on the locking bar of the keyboard ZIF connector and remove the keyboard ribbon cable. Important: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the keyboard. Replacement. Place the keyboard upside down on the top cover so that the keyboard ribbon cable and ZIF connector are accessible. Insert the keyboard ribbon cable into the ZIF connector on the system board and gently press down on the ZIF connector locking bar. Important: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Turn the keyboard over and tow the tabs on the bottom edge of the keyboard into the top cover and press the keyboard flat. Close the display panel and turn the notebook upside down. Replace the 6mm P1 Phillips head screw in the wireless LAN minicard compartment that secures the keyboard to the base enclosure.